everyone. Today, I had congee, or gwadi. When I was a kid, my mom always made this when we were sick. It was super bland, but just the right kind of comfort food. Here, I'm starting with 10 cups of water and 1 cup of unwashed and uncooked rice on a high temperature. I only have long grain rice, but this is definitely better with short grain rice. Once the water starts to boil, I turn it down to a medium and allow it to slowly boil for about total of 45 minutes. And this is how I always had it as a kid, bland, plain, with nothing else. Now let's doctor it up a little bit. I don't have any chicken available, so we're just going to season our unwashed rice and water with this chicken flavoring seasoning. We're doing the same method as before. 10 cups of water, 1 cup of unwashed uncooked rice. Allow to boil on high, then reduce to medium heat. Continue to cook for an additional 45 minutes. I like to top this with green onions, cilantro, black pepper, fish sauce, and hot chili. I often crack an egg into the boiling pot too for the last 5 minutes, but I forgot this time. Oh well. My husband always had this as a kid with sugar. Let me know down below in the comments how you like to eat your gwadi. Thank you for watching this simple video. Till next time, enjoy my other playlists and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.